Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. In this video, we're going to have a look at the expression quand même, which is widely used in French. Sometimes it has a direct translation, sometimes not, and that really puzzles my students, so I'll explain what it's about in this video. Before we carry on, I just want to say you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. It's perfect for beginners. Or if you want to study a bit of French to be more conversationally fluent, if you want to string sentences together from day one with everyday expressions and vocab, this course is for you. So click the link and see what it's about. Let's have a look at the first meaning of quand même. Literally, quand même means all the same, but you can use it for anyway and though. And all these expressions are not always interchangeable, so I'll show you a few examples to clarify all this. First instance, you could say c'est quand même pas difficile. When someone's doing something that is relatively easy and they can't do it, and you think, oh, c'est quand même pas difficile. It's a bit of annoyance there. And you would probably say in English, it's not difficult though, is it? C'est quand même pas difficile. And then you've got the meaning of anyway or all the same. Les enfants n'aiment pas tellement les carottes, mais ils en mangent quand même. The children don't really like carrots, but they eat them all the same. You could say they eat them anyway. Here I've used pas tellement for not really, because we use that a lot in spoken French. The next one is merci quand même. Say you go into a shop and you ask for something, they say, sorry, we don't have it. You say, oh, thanks anyway. Merci quand même. And here's more meanings that are really close to the previous ones. Nevertheless, still, even so. For instance, quand même, tu pourrais prévenir avant de passer. J'étais sous la douche. So here you're expressing annoyance. Nevertheless, you could warn me before dropping in. I was in the shower. You know, someone dropped in on you and they didn't tell you, and that's caused you some kind of annoyance. So you can use quand même for that. And note in French, we say sous la douche, under the shower. We're very literal. And then your other example. Je sais que tu es pressé, mais c'est quand même pas une raison pour être désagréable. I know you're in a rush, but still, it's not a reason to be unpleasant. So again, slight annoyance here. In the previous slide, we saw that you could express slight annoyance with quand même. Here, you could also express disapproval and doubt with the same expression. For instance, if you say to someone, tu ne vas quand même pas faire un marathon à ton âge. Don't tell me you're going to run a marathon at your age. There's no direct translation here. It's just disapproval. Don't tell me you're going to do that. Les transports publics sont encore en grève. Je vais quand même pas aller au travail à pied. So again here, public transports are on strike again. No way am I walking to work. It has no direct translation in English. You can use any sort of expression that means disapproval, doubt, or annoyance. And again, when you need to express wonder or surprise, there is no direct translation for quand même, but that's the expression we use. And you can use it as a standalone expression, as in, il a gagné une médaille d'or? Ah oui, quand même. He won a gold medal? I'm impressed. The whole ah oui, quand même is I'm impressed. Tu sais que Julie a obtenu une augmentation de salaire importante? Elle s'est quand même bien débrouillée. Did you know Julie got a large salary increase? She did really well. Again, no direct translation for quand même. You could say all the same. She all the same managed very well, which the sentence actually means, but in English you would just say she did really well. And that's it for now. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. À bientôt!